Welcome to GemHub Gallery. Today, I'll guide you through how to view, manage, and showcase all your beautiful jewelry images. Let's get started. To access the gallery, tap on the gallery icon located on the left-hand side ribbon. This will bring you directly to your collection of captured images. Think of it like a photo album on your phone. Here you'll find all your latest photos and videos for easy access. Each image is displayed as a thumbnail, making it super simple to scroll through and find exactly what you need. Want a closer look? Just click on any image to view it in full size. Once you open an image, you'll see all the photos and videos grouped by their SKU. This allows you to easily swipe through and explore different angles and background options you've captured. You'll also see that all the product details are summarized here for you on the right. In this view, you'll also be able to easily edit your videos. Simply navigate to the edit icon in the top right-hand corner. Here you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. You will also be able to add measurements of your jewelry or resize the images according to your preference. If your photo needs a little touch-up, it's simple. Just click the AI retouch button and GemHub will enhance your photo with one click. You can also easily remove your background in one click. Yes, it's that easy. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll find 3 handy buttons. With these, you can effortlessly zoom in, zoom out, and switch between square and cropped aspect ratios. It's all about giving you the control to see your jewelry just the way you want it. Ready to share your jewelry with your customers? Select the photos and videos you want to download or share directly. GemHub gives you the option to download in either JPG or PNG formats. GemHub Pro users can also customize the exact image size by entering the dimensions you need. When you're ready to share, navigate to the top right corner to find the Share button. This will take you to a new screen where you can add your company logo and contact information. Plus, GemHub Pro users have the option to set a password, ensuring your images stay secure. For more sharing options, be sure to check out our collections section, where you'll learn to create beautiful curated collections of your jewelry and share with your customers in seconds to drive more sales. If you ever need to delete any photos or videos, just click on the images you want to remove, go to the top right corner, and hit delete. Now you're ready to make the most of your gallery. We hope this video helps you manage and showcase your jewelry images efficiently. For more helpful tips and tutorials, just head to the bottom left and click on Tutorials. You'll discover a wealth of resources to maximize your GemHub experience. Don't forget to follow us on social media. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Together, let's redefine what's possible.